Hello everyone, my name is Connor and this is another episode of 1 Minute English. Today we're going to look at a common mistake in English. So many people, when they want to greet someone, they say, "How's it going? How's it going?" But when you're learning English, it's difficult to hear the it. So people say, "How's going?" But that's incorrect, right? We want to say, "How's it going? How's it going?" Practice that now. How's it going? Okay, so that's just a little tip for you. What does it mean? It is kind of your life, right? So how is your life going? Basically, how are you? So you can say, oh, it's going great. I'm having a great time. Anything really you want. I'm fine. I'm great. Something like that. Okay, that's it for today. Talk to you soon.